Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I once again am featuring the Peace on Earth stamp set. This is Misty Moonlight card base, and this is a piece of the Peaceful Garden Designer Series paper, 4 1/4 by 5 3/8. I'm going to adhere it on the top and on the bottom, well, put adhesive along the edges basically, and then I'm going to adhere it to my card front. So we're going to do some die cutting in a second, and that's normally I use cards the way they open up the other way, so this is unusual for me. So this card front is 4 1/4 wide, 11 tall, and scored at 4 1/4. Now I'm using these retired dies because I did not purchase the dies for the Peace on Earth stamp set because I'm stupid. So I always do this, and then I realize that I want to make a card with the dies, and the dies are so cool. Anyway, you know what? I'm sure some of you are like me and shop on a budget and have to pick and choose, and that's what I did. So you saw that I ran that through the die cutting machine, and now I have two pieces, the Designer Series paper and the cardstock. I'm going to adhere these two together now. I wanted something a little thicker, and sometimes, like, I'm going to put this, I guess this is like a die cut inlay technique where, we're going to adhere this back into the card. But when Designer Series paper, sometimes it's a little thin. So that is the reason why I backed it with the cardstock. So this is Versamark ink. It is a clear sticky ink. I'm going to saturate my stamp in it, and I'm going to stamp down. We do have our embossing powders back again. They are from Wow, and I'm going to use the white embossing powder for this greeting. And because it's invisible, you can't see it, but what it says is big hugs for a good friend. And I just sprinkle it over. It's just ease of use. Actually, instead of using the tray and doing all that, I just, I used my embossing buddy, and then now I heated my heat tool up for a good minute before I went in, and I'm trying to give you a really close-up shot of embossing, because when I first saw what embossing powder did, I was like, how did that person do that? Like, I didn't get it. And I think it's so cool. So yeah, I heated my heat tool up and for about a minute beforehand, and then now I'm going to adhere this piece right in the puzzle piece. So I put a lot of dimensionals because if you open and close the card lots, you can sort of warp and jiggle things weirdly, so that is not what we want. So just getting the correct placement here, and that is the insert. So it kind of sticks up, and then you open the card and you'll be able to see the inside. So this is like a flower that I cut from the paper, and I'm just cutting off the leaf here because it didn't fit. Anyway, and then of course you want not that flower to be in the hole. You need it just to be right next to it. And then I'm going to cut off the excess. Oh, and I did put a piece of basic white on the inside. So I'm going to decorate this with the hues of blue flowers that come with this suite. I'm not going to share the supplies I used today because I can't link them just yet. You can't purchase this product until September the 3rd when the new catalog launches. So thank you so much for spending time with me today, and for all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up and all the YouTubey things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. It's also free. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.